years. I don't think I could whip Muhammad Ali. I'm too old, I'm too fat, I'm too slow, I'm too scared, I have a low threshold of pain. But you know, if I really thought I could, maybe I'd last 20 seconds instead of just 15. Positive thinking won't let you do anything, but it will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. I believe that life is tough, but this I do know. I know that if you're tough on yourself, that life itself is going to be much easier on you.
Zig Ziglar was one of the world's most popular motivational speakers. Ziglar was one of 12 children raised by a widowed mother during the Great Depression. He wrote over 25 books, including See You at the Top, and inspired millions of people around the world. In this exclusive training, Ziglar shares with us powerful strategies to boost positivity, fix your attitude, and set the foundations for success. Special thanks to the Ziglar family for partnering with us to release this exclusive content on our YouTube channel. Enjoy.
I was coming in on the plane the other day, which is generally the way I fly. And I was seated next to an old boy, and I couldn't help but notice that he had his wedding band on the index finger of his left hand. And I looked at him, I said, "Hey partner, you got your wedding band on the wrong finger." He said, "Yeah, I married the wrong woman." Well, of course, you know, I have no way of knowing whether, in fact, he did marry the wrong woman or not. I'm just delighted to be able to say that I did not marry the wrong woman. As a matter of fact, as some of you know, just last week, my redhead and I celebrated our 50th wedding anniversary. So, rather obviously, I did not marry the wrong woman. Now, don't misunderstand. I notice a couple of you look a little bit skeptical. I did not say we'd been married 50 years. Shucks, I'm only 55 years old. What I said was we celebrated our 50th wedding anniversary, which we did. You see, we had heard so much about that 50th wedding anniversary that we just decided to go ahead and celebrate early. And folks, I'm here to tell you that is some more celebration. As a matter of fact, we're going to repeat it this year. Now, we want to emphasize a point. One of these days, if we're both here, we definitely will celebrate the 50th. And one of the reasons I'm confident that we will is because the night we said I do, we planned someday on celebrating the 50th. You see, ladies and gentlemen and students, we discovered a long time ago that things happen to people when they plan for those things to happen. And in the I Can presentation, in the I Can course, in the I Can concepts, we have a plan which you're really going to get all motivated and excited about. About 8 years ago, not far from this very studio, they opened a new cafeteria. It was a busy place, and I like to eat in cafeterias, but we passed it by because we just didn't want to wait in a line too long. And finally one day, the line didn't appear to be so long, so the redhead and I went down to the cafeteria. Now, as we were walking down, I could see what the people were getting and what was available, so I had a chance to kind of decide in advance what I wanted. And so when I got in the serving line, you know, I came walking down and I said to the person, "I'd like some of that and some of that and some of that and some of that." Now, the reason I like a cafeteria is because I can see exactly what I'm going to be eating in just a few minutes. And so I can say, "I want that piece of fish. No, the one over there in the corner. That's right. That's the idea." And then I get down to the cornbread line, you know, and I'd say, "And I want the one that's got all the crust on it, you know, really dark brown. I like it real brown." So I just like a cafeteria. I like to pick out exactly what I want. Well, we got down to the end of the line. I reached in my pocket and pulled out my money, and the little lady down there held up her hand and she said, "No, you don't pay for it until you get ready to go." I said, "You mean to tell me you're going to let me eat all of this food before I pay for it?" She said, "Yes, that's the way we do it." Well, you know, students, I've thought about that, I guess, 10,000 times since then. Because, you see, life is exactly like that in one respect, but it's 180 degrees opposite from that in another respect. You see, in the game of life, I absolutely believe that there is a cafeteria line. I believe it's a banquet hall. I believe it's a smorgasbord. I believe we can literally choose what we want out of the game of life. But unlike life, you see, there's this gradually obvious difference. Actually, it's not that gradual, but there's this dramatic difference. In the game of life, first of all, you make the deposits, then you get the reward. In the cafeteria, we got the reward and then paid for it. But you see, in the game of life, it doesn't work that way. You go to school, you study your lessons. They give you the test, and you pass to the next grade. You go through that grade, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one, until one day you walk down the line, they give you the diploma. Then you go down and you get yourself a job. And then you work on the job, and after you have worked, then they give you the reward. The farmer clears the land. He plows the soil. He plants the seed. He fertilizes it, he cultivates it, he lays it by, he gathers the harvest, he takes it to the barn, he hauls it to market, and then and only then does he get the reward. You see, in the game of life, that's the way it works. Now I want to make a couple of points very, very strong and clear right here. I'm going to have a lot of things to say in the I Can course, but there are two things I want to emphasize over and over and over. And that is that you're what you are, and you're where you are because of what's gone into your mind. And you can change what you are, you can change where you are by changing what goes into your mind. And the second thing I'm going to say to you students actually is along those same lines, and that is, as I will say to you in the course over and over, if you don't like you, don't worry about it, for the very simple reason, you see, that you're not stuck with you. You can grow, you can change, you can start from where you are with what you've got and become the kind of a person you really want to be. But the second major point I want to emphasize here is simply this. I'll never tell you that life is easy. If you listen to every recording I'll ever make, if you read every book I'll ever write, if you hear me in every speech I'll ever make, you'll never hear me say to you that life is easy, because I don't believe it is. I believe whether you're in the military service, whether you're a student, whether you're a teacher, whether you're a principal, whether you're a parent, whether you're a salesman, whether you are a sales manager, or even a singer, Diane Morgan, I believe that life is tough. But this I do know. I know that if you're tough on yourself, that life itself is going to be much easier on you. It's going to be more fun. It's going to be rewarding. You see, I do believe it's fun. I believe it's exciting. I believe it's rewarding. I believe life is one of those things that we can extract a great deal from, and I believe it offers a lot. I believe that in the tomorrows of our life, that health and prosperity and happiness and friends, I believe all of those things are available. Yes, I'm an optimist. I mean, I'm the kind of guy who'd go after Moby Dick in a rowboat and take the tartar sauce with me. I mean, that's my nature. And for your information, students and parents, you might as well understand this very early in my presentations. I tell folks I'm like a cross-eyed discus thrower. I don't set any records, but I do keep the crowd alert. And, and you know, I think that's going to be pretty important. So if I say life is not easy, but it is fun, it is exciting, it is rewarding, then let me expand on that just a little bit by simply saying to you that there is a dramatic difference between positive thinking and positive believing. A lot of times people get the impression that we think that us positive
Hello, hello, hello. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, especially to the West, our USA, Trinidad, people on the island on the West side. Good morning. It's very early for you, but thank you for being on the call. We've got a good agenda ready for you. It's so wonderful to see so many people that has made the call. There's a lot going on, guys. Before I introduce Mr. KK, and I think he will elaborate more, the long and the short is due to the successes that Ride BNB, Rain BNB, the daughter company, is projecting. Due to this, we are under attack, okay, from the competition, from the scammers who's insisting that KK and other leaders pay $25,000. We've got proof of it. KK shared many screenshots with me, and this is going on now for some time. And the scammers are so blunt, they're so open. They say, we are costing you money, we're costing you business. 2 days ago, the developers was engaging a new concept. It's going to be the first. It's innovative, where we will not need the URL. Mr. KK will obviously cover that with more in depth. Another thing to mention is people, we do not need a URL. It is so straightforward, so simple. It's easier to register, to upgrade. Many of you have seen me do it. It's way easier to do it directly on the blockchain. The URL is only an interface to help you work with a dashboard. Eliminate the dashboard. Throw it away and work directly with your Web3 wallet into your blockchain. Your Web3 wallet is like your bank, and your blockchain is like your factory. It's much better when your factory pays directly to your bank account. Take out the interface of the dashboard. But let me not keep you too long. I'm going to give the mic to a young man called Zaf from South Africa. He's turning heads, he's duplicating in such a wonderful way. And to tell you the truth, Zap new wallet, but he's new to blockchain. You would never say so. Why? Because he put the effort in. He's grown a team of 3,000, no deadwood, no deadwood. All movers and shakers, duplicating in the right manner, no empty holes in the genealogy. Over to you, Zap, and then we will introduce and go over with Mr. KK. But let's hear from Zap quickly. Over to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Prema. And thank you, everyone. Ride BNB, Rain BNB, Worldwide Family. And, success is inevitable for those people that are focused. And one thing I realize in life, focus stands for follow one course until successful. Look, there may be many shiny objects that come along the way. And I tell people this, I have never seen a concept like this in my life. And this business model is so amazing that you can become successful by accident. And in that way, even if you're building it one person a month, it's inevitable that you can change your life. But that's not what we teach, right? We want to help people become successful as quick as possible. So with all the challenges that has been happening, we have stayed focused. And there's always going to be people that will go away, and that's okay. They were never meant to be part of the journey. Don't put people in categories in life of where they don't belong, because often enough, we want to drag people along and it becomes tiring, right? So parasites, they attack everything. And that's exactly what some of these people are doing. They're attacking an amazing concept that's working, that's helping the community, that's eliminating poverty, because poverty exists in the mind by someone who was once told you'll never be successful. And here is a business model that can help the poor become rich. I would say virtually overnight if they put in the work, yes, but nothing is overnight, right? So weeds grow automatically. You need to remember that. If you're planting a garden, you don't have to water the weeds. The weeds will go right through concrete. They don't give a damn about anything. And we got to protect our garden, right? Every single day, we got to stand guard of our mind. I'm so grateful for Prema, KK, and his entire team that's on the call. I don't know most of them, but I hear about them. Whenever we do have a hiccup or a challenge, they are on it. And it doesn't take more than a few hours for them to have a solution. That's the backbone we want to have going forward. And you got to stand guard of your mind because you will be tested. And what we have here is unstoppable. Unstoppable. It cannot be stopped. And we are making history here. I think over 600,000 people on the platform plus and growing. It'll be 1 million before June, definitely, with the team we have. And look, number one thing in life, I realized that, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So stay the course, get excited, and never quit. That's just from me, Zaf Khan from Durban, South Africa. Over and back to you, my wonderful, powerful friend, Prema.
Thank you so much, Zaf. Guys, please get a pen and paper. Take screenshots if you have to. Mr. KK is going to show us step 1 to step 10 on how to work on the blockchain. Perhaps we'll cover registration, which is most important, and upgrade. Thank you very much, Mr. KK, for taking all of us under your wing. Just a bit of background. KK has over 80% of the 600,000 that's in this community. That's a huge team to work with, and we are so blessed that he's a phone call away. He's always there with everybody. You can bring him to Russia, to Ukraine, to USA. He is available for us, and I think we're very blessed to have somebody who's got an MBA, who knows how to run a business, and somebody who's caring enough to support all of us. Never ran away, never said, oh, well, I don't know what to do. You know, he's on it. I don't think this man sleeps. But over to you, Mr. KK. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much to you, Prema, and all the people who are present here. Good morning, and it's warm welcome from my side to one and all present here. First of all, let's get into the root cause of the problem and situation. I would like to touch upon certain things. In fact, in various groups, you must have seen the post, but still many people are unaware what exactly have been happening here and why is this so, and till how long we have to suffer like this. So now first, let me read out some important aspect what everyone must and should know. See, seeing the huge, tremendous, unprecedented growth of Rain BNB and Ride BNB, ladies and gentlemen, phenomenal, momentous, moment for all the riders, all the users of Ride BNB and Rain BNB. People, especially our competitors, unscrupulous individuals, corporates, platform owners running similar or aspiring to, run the similar kind of platforms what Ride BNB and Rain BNB have been doing. This really made them worry about their own existence. And the unprecedented growth has naturally drawn their attention towards Ride BNB and Rain BNB because a lot of their own individuals, people's users started leaving those platform projects and creator systems, and they are in large number getting attracted towards Ride BNB and Rain BNB because those platform owners, creators, project developers, they really got exposed when we started talking about what actually the real smart contract is all about, how you can identify a fake one versus the real one, why Ride BNB and Rain BNB is the 100% ownership free, fully decentralized system. So these things have really made them feel very vulnerable, and they thought to almost die the kind of operations they were running. So in response to all those things, a lot of our competitors, individuals, and unscrupulous people, they have been trying hard to exploit our main leaders, including me, and also to the developers by doing all sort of unethical practices aimed actually to stop us, derail us, destabilize us. And one such method they adopted is to, using a bot technique, robot technique to, send several kind of wrong, unethical, unlawful messages, posing themselves as an innocent victim individuals to our service providers. And they were basically the domain service providers, the server hosting providers, and of course our Web3 wallet providers. As a result, some of the providers, actually there is a guidelines in the domain of internet, when they receive such kind of feedback, reporting, it's genuine, wrong, incorrect, illegal, legal, what they do initially without reaching to the conclusion, they just try to suspend the services. Okay, so we are getting victimized of that online guidelines in spite of the wrong, non-stop, repeated, feedback being passed on to our service providers, and they have been regularly, continuously suspending our domain, our server hosting stuff. And some of the wallet providers also, decentralized wallet providers also, they have been also not letting us use our domain on their platform. That is really annoying also, and very, very discouraging, disappointing. from the point of view of all our users and community members. But despite all these challenges, you must know, ladies and gentlemen, RightBnB and RainBnB developers have remained very highly proactive, and they instantly, adapt different alternative methods, and they found some instant solution so that we all can. Who has started sharing this screen? Please don't do this. Okay, so the bottom line is this: the foundation of RightBnB and RainBnB is our smart contract working on a OPBNB blockchain technology. And because of the blockchain technology, which is decentralized, immutable, and it cannot be modified or altered, shut down, or manipulated in many ways, this is the surety guarantee to all our users that we are a non-stoppable smart contract, 100% fully decentralized, operating on OPBNB blockchain network. So, this is the actual reason, and that's why in last couple of few days, we have observed that our domain URLs are getting suspended. In fact, yesterday night, the server from where that domain hosting was done, they also delisted our services, okay, as a service provider. So that was definitely a stumbling block. But whenever these kind of situations, challenges, and problems come up, guys, they always give you a big opportunity to build up something really difficult and impossible, on which you can really have a more sustainable business model in future to capitalize on. And this is what the developer and creators of RightBnB have been doing. And as the inputs we have received from them, hopefully by 10th of this month, by 10th of February, the permanent solution they are going to bring in, so that these kind of disruptions are not going to stop us. These kind of challenges and problems are not going to bog us down. So this is the assurance from their side to all of us. So we should not feel disappointed, discouraged. Yeah, a little bit of slowness it is definitely going to create. Like a short while ago, two of our working domains for RightBnB and RainBnB also stopped working, like rainbnb.shop and the topright.tech. So nevertheless, we are, first of all, must understand we are a technology-based platform. We are living in an era that is totally dedicated and committed to Web 3.0 model. Facebook, Google, they are all obsolete working model on which they are running their platform. That is Web 2.0. We are RightBnB, RainBnB. It's based on a system called Web 3.0, blockchain-driven system, wherein we always want to do things, have things the best. Right now, in most of the country, users, mobile phone technology they have been using, they have been utilizing the 5G technology. 6G has also, have come up in some of the countries. We are not here to go back and start using 2G, 3G, and 4G kind of stuff. So being a user community member for RightBnB and RainBnB, we must adapt and adopt the latest updated, upgraded version, which is nothing but a blockchain system. Gone are the days, and there will be, after a few years, website is not going to be used for many purposes in our day-to-day life. Most of you won't believe at this point of time, but definitely it's going to happen maybe 5 years, 8 years, 10 years down the line, because everything is going to be on blockchain system, and blockchain system, it is going to be operational on its own way. In its own way, you don't need a website to work on a blockchain system. In fact, website here, domain-based system, was just introduced just to give a common people that touch and feel what they had been used to earlier, just to make their things more smooth, simple, and comfortably they can connect their wallets via the a smart contract of RightBnB and RainBnB. So let's understand today, none of our domain has been working. I've not used that TokenPocket thing. For that also, I'm going to share with you. But first, understand, none of our URL domain has been working for RightBnB and RainBnB at this point of time. Still, we can work through blockchain. So let me show you how we can do this first. Then we'll do more talking after this, sharing of thing which I wanted to show it to you. So let me go to and connect my, screen sharing through another device, and I'll take you to the blockchain page. Just hang on, give me a moment. Okay. Just a second. Yeah. So here I'm going to share the screen now, and I will take you to my wallet. This is my wallet. Okay. And let me show you. This is the SafePal wallet I've been using. And here I am going to input in the DAP browser rainbnb.shop, which is saying web page not available. Never mind. Now this is for RainBNB. Let me check the same for RightBNB, the current domain that was working very well until a few minutes back. And it is also going to give the same message, web page not available. Nothing to be worried. Nothing to be worried, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I have already shared with you by 10th of this month, these things are really going to be sorted out on permanent basis. Okay. So it's just a matter of 8-9 days. Now, how we can work? If we really want to work, suppose I want to put someone register with me. I want to upgrade someone else's account. How I am going to do so? So let's talk about the right BNB. So here I am having my contract address of right BNB, which I'm just going to put within my DApp, within my SafePal wallet or maybe TokenPocket wallet. Okay. Here is the contract address. Here is the contract address. Okay. I have just input that contract address, and let me show you how you can do so. Just a second. Let me show you. This is the contract address I have already shared with you all. This is the contract address. You just need to copy. RainBNB Smart OPBNB scan.com ending with BC57. You just have to copy this. And you just go to your, just a second, you just go to your, wallet, go to discover and explore option, and just paste this contract address here and click on go and just proceed further after confirming. And here you go. You are already on through your wallet. You have entered into the smart contract of RainBNB ending with BC57, last 4 character. You must remember. Okay. Now, I just want to work through this contract because contract is the soul of this platform. It is the backbone of this platform. And you can still see people who have learned how to work through our smart contract via blockchain. They have been working. The transactions you can see happening 23 seconds ago, someone registered, 30 seconds ago, someone registered, 40 seconds ago, someone claimed royalty. The website is not working, guys, but still people are claiming royalty, registering, upgrading. You can see 1 minute ago, someone upgraded. 1 minute ago, someone upgraded. In fact, I think the website is not operational for last 30, 40 minutes. Still people have been doing. This is our power. This is our power. We are a blockchain-based system. We are unstoppable, and nobody can really hinder our progress, growth, and work at all. But for this, we need to be educated. We need to be totally equipped, empowered and this empowerment and equipment will come to us when we will know how to do this. So now let me take you to our contract address. Here is the contract address. In contract section, you will find, just a minute. In contract section, you will find, here's the contract. 3 different buttons. One is the read contract button, which lets you find all the informations related to our users, community members, and blah, blah, blah. I'll be talking about that also. And the right contract section is the very important that lets all users work through this part of the contract. you can do all activities what you have been doing through your dashboard via URL or website. Like, it enables you to get paid for your royalty, your lifestyle reward, registrations, upgradations, these four main features. So how to do this? Let me show you. I'm going to the right contract part here. When you enter into the right contract part, there is an option called connect to Web3. It means you have to connect your Web3 wallet. You just enter into the contract through your wallet, then go to the contract section, select right contract button, and then connect to Web3. It's very important. Unless you do this activity, you are not able to perform any function through the contract. So, I'm just going to connect my wallet through this option. So I'm just going to connect to Web3. Now it is going to give some message. I'm just doing it. Okay. Now here is a connect a wallet. Two options are coming, MetaMask and Wallet Connect. By default, if you're entering this through your wallet and you have input in that browser, the smart contract address, then while connecting your wallet, you just have to select by default MetaMask. In spite of the fact your wallet is TokenPocket or SafePal or Trust Wallet or XYZ. Now here you can see I have just clicked on MetaMask and you can see here my wallet has got connected ending with 91DF automatically. I selected MetaMask, but it let me enter, my wallet to get connected and interact with the smart contract. Now, so this is the one thing you must pay attention to. Now, coming back, there are several options available here, but the most important one, of course, is what? Is to register. How we are going to do it? Click on the point number 6. We want to register someone through blockchain. What we are supposed to do? We have to enter the joining amount, and we all know the joining amount is 0.0044 BNB. In your wallet, there must be some little extra BNB over and above this amount, 0.0044. 0.0045 or maybe more also, because a little bit of gas fee is also required. If you'll park the exact amount, might not the transaction be executed. So ensure this. Now in second row, you have to put the account ID. Let's say any account ID at random I've been putting. This is, let's say, my account ID through which I want someone to register here. And so I have put my account ID, and in the third row, new address, new account address, the receiving wallet address of a person whom you want to register with you. Now here, you have to copy that address and you have to paste it here. Okay, when you will connect your wallet, which is, I have already done, guys, here, you can see, I've already done this here. You will get this. Just a second. You will get this button activated, right button. If you have not connected your wallet, this will be inactive right button. Here's the blue right button. You can see the moment you connect your wallet, it will become active and you can perform the operations by doing the required thing. So I just have to input a wallet address here and then I'll click on right and it will be done. The registration of that person will be done automatically. Okay, so this is how, if you're using Facebook, if you know how to use Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube, it's much easier than those, platform activity to use this features of our smart contract to register someone or to upgrade someone. So that's the one thing. Okay. Second thing, if I want to upgrade anybody's account, what I'm supposed to do and how I'm going to do so. So under point number 11, there's an upgrade option available. Suppose someone is at a beginner level and wants to upgrade to influencer. Okay. If someone, the beauty through the smart contract working is this: you can upgrade, register anybody's account. If you're working through your wallet via dashboard, you just only can register yourself, you can upgrade yourself. Please understand the difference. There is a limitation working via dashboard or through your wallet, through the website. But blockchain allows you through our smart contract to register anybody, your upline, downline, crossline, super upline, senior upline, anyone. And it also enables you to do upgradation for anyone, not only for yourself. Here, you must ensure the fund will be debited from your connected wallet. Okay, so I can upgrade anybody's account using this feature. I can register anyone's account using this feature. So here, in upgrade, suppose someone is sitting at beginner rank and wants to upgrade to influencer. So influencer is going to cost 0.0066 BNB. You just have to be very specific and write the exact amount, what is mentioned in the PDF for the different rank upgradation. And then you have to input the account ID. Any at random account ID have been putting here. And then the number of levels from your existing level you are upgrading. Suppose somebody is at a beginner rank, wants to upgrade to influencer. There is only one rank upgrade. So here, one is going to be entered. And then I'll click on the right button and the upgrade will happen automatically. Okay. Now, suppose you want to upgrade to achiever. So achiever, and you are at a beginner rank. So 2-level jump. So here you are going to input in the third row 2. From beginner to achiever, 2 rank upgradation. Account ID is there. And in payable amount, you got to mention what? The amount of influencer upgrade plus the amount of achiever upgrade. 0.006. I'll just input here, just a minute. 0.006 plus 0.0132. Add these two figures and input the amount here. Input the amount here, click on right button. So this is how you are going to upgrade yourself. For any person, any rank upgradation you can do through this. Now, I'm going to show you how to claim royalty. Claiming royalty. I have already connected my wallet, and live I'm going to show you how one can claim royalty from the platform without going onto your dashboard. Now, this account of mine in Rain BNB is a Conqueror account. No, Chancellor account. I beg your pardon. Chancellor account it is. So icon 0, legend 1 is a number system for the royalty calculation working through smart contract. Okay. 0 is the first icon, royalty rank. 1 is legion. 2 is emperor. 3 is conqueror. And 4, sorry, 4 is chancellor. So I'm going to input 4 here. 4th rank, 5th rank, starting from 0. 0 for icon, 1 for legion, 2 for emperor, 3 for conqueror, 4 for chancellor, and 5 for creator. That's the coding in smart contract. My wallet is already connected. Now I'm just going to write, and I'm going to pay the gas fee. Live royalty claim I've been doing here. And you can see here, I have already claimed the royalty from the smart contract way. And if you click on the view your transaction here, it's been done. You can see here which function I utilized to claim royalty here. Okay, just 8 seconds ago, and my royalty has been claimed through this smart contract button. So this is how we can work easily, efficiently, without any issue, without any problem. And we should not be worried about what has been happening. These are the small things that are here to make all the community member totally aware. And during this process, definitely we are going to be much more stronger by knowing all the ins and outs, what could happen to us in this online world, which is very, very vulnerable. Sometimes you cannot stop this happen to you, you know. So that's the one thing. So similarly, you can claim lifestyle also. Unfortunately, this account of mine is not eligible for the lifestyle reward, so I cannot claim it here. Okay, so you can do all these activity. These are the basic activity you are going to learn from this. So I have shown you how to claim royalty. I have shown you how to register someone new with you. I have shown you how you can upgrade someone else's account. And similarly, you can claim your lifestyle reward also. Like lifestyle reward, you connect your wallet, and suppose you want to claim Prime Club, just input 0. Just input 0, click on right. Club reward, just input 1 and you are through. So these are the 4 unique, different, basic features that everyone must know. Everyone must know, because if you know this and tell your team, teach your team, share with them, you are really going to give them all the possibility and probability to work in a very, very smooth, and unstoppable manner. Because there is a saying that goes, if you give a fish to a man, guys, you can feed him for just one time, one day. But if you teach him how to fish, you can feed him for life. This is what the upline, the senior upline, we have a duty, responsibility, and accountability towards our team members to teach them how they are gonna fish in this ocean of Right BNB and Rain BNB. And people who have learned this, they have really not caring about what has been happening here. So that's the one thing I wanted to touch upon. Similarly, anyone I would like to invite, if you want to do something, through blockchain, I am ready to make you the co-host, and you can follow the same process. I can do all kind of activities through blockchain because I have done my study research, I have learned. But unless and until you start doing yourself, you will not be able to perform this action, and you will always feel, oh, it's going to be a tough thing. A lot of people I've been talking to, them since morning, and they've been saying, oh, I can do this, but not my downline. That is the limitation you have imposed on your mind. Anybody and everybody could do this. And I have this general statement for all. If you know how to run your Facebook account, if you know how to run your YouTube account, if you know how to use Instagram, it's much easier than those activities you have been performing on social media to use blockchain thing of Right BNB and Rain BNB to register someone and upgrade someone and do other activities. You just have to copy the link, go to the tab browser, just paste it over there and go to the contract section, click on Right Contract, connect your wallet and register, upgrade, claim royalty reward. What is the issue? Since you have not done, you have not paid attention, so it may appear to you at this point of time, it's a tough thing. There is nothing called tough here. Riding a bicycle is also very tough for a children, unless until he or she learns this. Driving, how to drive a car also appears to be very tough. A lot of people don't know how to swim. It's very tough for them. But those who have learned how to swim, it's a cakewalk for them. So, there are certain things we must know. We always give examples, like Nokia was one point of time, during the year 2007, 8, 9, they were the big, mobile manufacturing company, but they did not learn the new technology called Android, and they were being overpowered by Samsung. Okay, similarly, the Kodak, the biggest camera manufacturing company in the world, they are no more in the business. Yahoo, once upon a time, it was much bigger, very huge tech giant company, email service provider, much, much bigger than Google. So, but Yahoo, how many of you have been using Yahoo email still? Very few people, very few people. So you must know the new thing, new technology to keep yourself updated, upgraded. If you are going to avoid this, if you are not going to learn this, trust me, you are going to lag behind. You're going to lag behind. You will be always struggling to survive. Forget about reaching to the top. So this is an opportunity. Every opportunity is going to bring, every problem is going to bring an opportunity. It's an opportunity for many of us to strengthen our learning process, to teach and share with our team what we have been doing. We are absolutely a different kind of platform. We are a blockchain-based smart contract community building system at present, but it's a complete big ecosystem that is going to come. And these things are going to make us much more stronger. Trust me. You know, in all those past previous companies, ladies and gentlemen, wherever I have worked in last 25 years, if the website is down, it means company has gone forever. If the website is down, the company has gone forever. Tata, bye bye, things are over. But this is the first platform. People have been giving this feedback, especially since yesterday night, that website is down, domain is not working, they are not bothered. Whosoever who are having knowledge and information. But those people who don't come for the training, they are not in touch with their upline, they have not subscribed to the official Telegram, WhatsApp channel, they are not getting the updates and important notes about the platform. So definitely they are in panic mode. They are worried. They are having tough time to understand these things. But it is always said, knowledge is a power. If you are going to have the knowledge, definitely you are not going to have any fear. Any challenges are bound to come in our lives. It is coming on day-to-day basis. But those challenges must be taken care of by giving people the solution. This is what the developer creators of Rain and Ride BNB have been doing. And instantaneously, they have been providing the best possible solutions to us. So there is nothing to be worried about it. Now, coming to the next part. So the domains are not working. Blockchain is the one answer. Now, there is a second solution also, guys, here. How many of you have been using TokenPocket as a wallet? Can you please raise your hand? I would like you to do this exercise for us today. How many of you have been using the TokenPocket? Okay, Jackson, Mohanraj, will you be able to share screen? I'm going to tell you something. Will you be able to share screen? Just text me in the chat box. Yes, Mohanraj. Okay, Mohanraj, I'm going to make you the co-host. Just start sharing the screen. Are you aware about the new domain link that was flashed today in the morning as per your local time? Are you aware? Just unmute yourself. You are the co-host. Mohanraj, please unmute yourself and reply me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you just go to your TokenPocket. Guys, I am going to share with you some interesting way to log into your dashboard. So just let's find and figure it out. And I'm not sure whether it's working right now or not. I checked it a short while ago. It was working well. I hope this works well. So that's the smart contract. Blockchain is the one way to do activities. Second one, of course, is that he has logged into the TokenPocket wallet, and on the, you just, this unusual looking domain link. Do you have for Rain BNB? Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm open, sir.
You are having it. I'm asking you.
Yes, sir. Which one, sir? Link, domain link?
Domain link that was shared.
Sir, wait a minute, sir. Second one, sir.
Just a minute. Show me once again. Show me once again. It's for Rain BNB, the first one. Login domain, first one.
Yeah,
Smart,
this one.
below the smart contract, there is a domain link. Yeah.
Yes, sir. .uk.
.uk. Yeah. Just copy it. Go to your Discover, that browser, and just paste that link. Just go ahead, click OK, enter.
Yes, sir. It's open.
Click on login. So here is a solution, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to log in your Rain BNB account on Telegram, on WhatsApp official, there is a domain link, decentralized domain link. It's a decentralized domain. That's why it is unusual appearance. Okay, it has unusual appearance. So using that link in token, but that is going to be open only in TokenPocket. Please understand it. Nothing to be worried. Whatever the wallet, apart from TokenPocket, you have been using, SafePal, Trust, MetaMask, just import, let those wallets also run, import 12 seed phrase into a new TokenPocket wallet create. It is going to take only 1 minute. And open TokenPocket on OPBNB blockchain, of course, and copy that link, go to your browser, tab browser, and just paste that link, and it is going to work. Here, using this, you can perform every operations except registration. Registration is not going to happen. Just Mohan, please come on to the referral link. Please come on to the referral link. Yeah, hang
Yes,
on.
sir.
This referral link, guys, I guess is not going to work here. You can upgrade. Click on the mentor. Click on the mentor packages. Yeah, you can upgrade as well. You can check all the details, latest up-to-date details. You can claim royalty, everything, lifestyle reward, everything. Only thing you cannot register. Barring this facility, you can use all those things. Okay, through this, decentralized domain, which I'm expecting not to be, disabled, but I'm not a tech guy, so I don't have much knowledge about it. I'm just keeping my fingers crossed. And even though it is going to be disabled, no issue, no issue. There will be an alternative solution. And for just 9, 8, 10 days, guys, we have to face this little challenges, but just learn how to do things. There is no reason to be panicked or worried about challenges. Problems keep coming in our lives, day to day, regular lives also, but we have to be strong enough to face them. You are not alone here. We are all together as a family members. Unity in community. When problem comes in our lives, we are all alone. Maybe some of our close friends, relatives are there to support us. But in Rain BNB, we are having a community of over 620,000, along with the developer and creators, tech mind. So we all are together, going to be very, very invincible, unstoppable in time to come. It's a matter of just few days, which will just pass in a snap of a finger. Like we have seen one challenge on 14th of December as well, 2024, when the royalty thing got stopped in our Right BNB original contract. And we waited for almost a month for Rain BNB to happen. And when it appeared, when it launched, it was a big thing that could happen to us. And we were all cruising with great speed. Suddenly, this challenge has come up, but definitely it is also going to be sorted out. 100% assurance. Okay, so no reason to be worried. So that's the one thing I wanted to show it to you. Can you, Mohan, tell me one thing. Your joining date is 21. Okay, so just
Yes, sir.
log out from this dashboard and copy right BNB referral link also from Telegram. Just log
Okay.
out. Click on cross.
Okay.
Yeah. You can log in Right BNB also through that decentralized domain, guys, here. Right BNB, there is a login domain ending with .com something, okay? No, you click on the smart contract. You don't have to click on the smart contract. Go to the Right BNB, the login domain, the second option. No, go down, don't go up. Just
Okay,
hang
sir.
on. Right BNB, login domain ending with linux.com. Click on, yeah.
Okay.
Go to your wallet. It will work only in Trust Wallet, guys. Please understand, remember this. Yeah. Click on go. Click on go. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Click on login.
Yes, sir. Login.
Okay, perfectly fine. So you have login. You can see here both of his account in Right BNB and Rain BNB are operational, working. Only limitation is he cannot register using this referral link, else all other activities he can perform. Okay, and if you want to register someone, use blockchain. So solution has been given from the creator side to us. It's only, do we know this? How to do it? And those things are also being shared here. So there is no reason to be worried, guys, here. Everything is under control, and it's going to be, because it's a very, very robust, strong system which cannot be stopped, blocked by anyone else in this world. So understand this, okay? So thank you so much, Mohan. Thank you so much to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, perfectly fine. Yes, so now let's have some questions from people. Okay. So a lot of people writing to me in the chat box, still they are confused. Confusion, see, lack of knowledge is always going to give you the confusion. There is a simple thing that you must subscribe the official WhatsApp and Telegram channel. And how you can subscribe, let me show you also. So can anyone share the screen, what Mohan has done? Anyone else can come? Anyone else can raise the hand? Yes, Prema, I want to say something.
Yes, I was just going to say, don't worry if you didn't get it the first time. I know lots of people in our team know how to do this, KK. But if you don't know, now that you've seen it, and like KK has just said, if you can work your social handles, this is way easier. In fact, it's more easier to work on the blockchain than it is to work on your dashboard because the
Absolutely.
steps are. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to say. If there's no questions, don't worry. For us, the guys, there's many here on the call. We will pick it up in a second training. Yeah, that's it,
Yeah. Okay.
KK.
Fine. So Mia wants to show and share something. Yes, Mia. I make you the co-host now. I made you the co-host. Just show through your token pocket thing how to get onto the dashboard and how to subscribe the social media. That's very important, guys. Please
Okay,
go to
hold
it. See to it.
on. Just a second.
Yeah.
I need to share my screen with you.
Yeah. You did the way you did last time in the German Zoom today.
Yes. So now it's working. I did post it in my German group as well.
Yeah.
I informed all the leaders as well. So
Yeah, just copy the URL of RainBnB. Yes.
I did. I open now my Token Pocket Wallet. I am here. I'm there. I enter the URL.
Yeah.
Okay. I
Just hang on, Mia. Don't move
Yes.
further. You know, a lot of people are writing, they are not able to understand. See, actually, in Zoom, you are not able to copy the link, first of all. Secondly, if you want to get to those links, you must subscribe our Telegram official and WhatsApp channel. See, you yourself are neglecting this platform. And if you are going to avoid and neglect all the required information, you will always lag behind, ladies and gentlemen. Writing not so good things in the chat box are not going to make you millionaire. You know, onus is on you to learn how to get rid of those challenges by following the system. It's your business, it's my business, it's everyone else's business. So, you know, don't depend totally dependent on you for your success on someone else. Someone else is not going to do everything for you. There is no spoon feeding things. It's your own business, virtual business, your own office, your smartphone, laptop, and you need to know what to do, how to do. And we are here to help and support you, teach with you, share with you. But even though you're not understanding, give some time. It will be totally, made. You will come to know each and every ins and outs of what is needed to learn all those things. You just have to be patient here. Yes, Mia, please.
Okay, so I enter.
Yeah.
Say yes, and I log in now.
Yeah.
And then I see all social media.
Yeah,
So
just show how to go the Telegram and WhatsApp, at least the two on which
okay,
we have been getting the regular updates. Please
on
guide
the
them.
dashboard, I click the Telegram account, and here we are. And I see all the important messages. That's the Telegram account.
Hang on. Just show this message. People are asking the chat box from where to get these links. Had you subscribed for the right BNB official Telegram channel, you would have definitely got the links. If you have not yet subscribed, go to your dashboard through this way and you can get all these informations. The links are already shared in various groups. You can ask from your upline if you have not subscribed. Still, you can subscribe if you're able to log in. But I'm sure, unfortunately, without having this login domain link, you are not able to do so. Even though I put these login domain in the chat box, you will not be able to make a copy from that because Zoom doesn't allow you to copy things from there, unfortunately. So you need to dependent on your upline to share with you these links, which are already there. Log into your dashboard and subscribe to Telegram official and WhatsApp official. Yes, Mia, please continue.
Okay, so this is for Telegram. Now I will click on WhatsApp. Oh no, sorry, my if this is my phone where I don't have WhatsApp, but if I
no problem.
click, I would have landed into WhatsApp. But also I can click, I can go back and then I can click Facebook, also Facebook, and here we go. If they're asking me, could be that they're asking me to log in into Facebook. I'm not logged in, but I am on all the official channels because I want to be informed, and I have a community where I'm responsible for taking care of my members. So I'm, of course, taking in all informations and distributing them to everyone I'm also feel in charge of and responsible for. So that's you just have to click and then you will get there. Sorry. Here we have them all. YouTube as well, if we are interested into YouTube. Then here's the Right BNB official. And here we see them.
YouTube don't have much, content, but definitely the Telegram and WhatsApp will do the, needful for all of. So do subscribe at least the Telegram and WhatsApp official channel to help you get all the informations and all the updations so far. Okay, we have been looking for. So that's the one thing here. Let's take some questions quickly. Harry has a question. KK, I couldn't cope to follow the smart contract procedure because everything went so fast. No problem, Harry. Join tonight's training session, 5 p.m. Again, we will repeat this. I will not play the recording, but again, in much more better way, we will do in the 5 p.m. session, training session, the whole stuff once again. Once again. People who have not yet understood so far, it's difficult in one session to learn everything. No worries at all, guys. Just have patience and be in a cool, calm position and temperament, and join tonight training session as well. We are going to discuss everything once more for our community. We all are here to help you excel and thrive, but you also need to put some efforts towards it, because success doesn't come to those who wait for things to happen. Success comes to those who are really going out, all out, looking for it. So if you want to be successful, you have to put your efforts. Okay. So Makeda has been asking, too bad, we can't copy the links. Then he's saying he is able to copy the links. Okay, anyway. The best way is to subscribe to the social media thing. Queen Bee has been saying the links have already been shared in the groups in the morning itself. Prema has also given the input how to do the copy, the link from the Zoom. Okay. New domain. Ahmad Muhammad has been saying new domain is centralized. No, no, no. That new domain is not centralized. That's the domain ending with .uk is the decentralized blockchain-based domain. It's not the centralized domain. Okay. Zoom time for the training session, guys, is 5 p.m. UTC GMT time. Please check your respective country time. The link will remain same. Okay. Okay, so anything else? I have seen the questions in the chat box and I have already given you the answer. Yes, Zaf, you have raised hand. Please unmute.
I must say, KK, honestly speaking, I think this is way this is way, how can I say, it is as easy as it gets. I think people are just frustrated because they see so much of coding and stuff, but I think we can get it in 1 or 2 trainings. So I'll definitely be on at 7 p.m. And, as you said, this is the best way to become unstoppable because there's no glitches on that. And this is a learning education because I truly believe the whole world in the next 5, 10 years is going to run a lot on blockchain projects, and we're just going to be ahead because right BNB taught us so. So I think, yeah, it's something that we must learn and not should learn because people don't do their shoulds. But if we learn it, we can teach it to others, and yeah, we'll become fully independent. So thank you for this. I'll definitely tune in at 7 p.m. We have a power outage in South Africa at the moment, but I love the way you explain that.
Yeah, thank you, Zaf. Thank you so much. And here, in the meantime, there's a gentleman, Dabu, has written a good input suggestion. Using a decentralized website can help you avoid flagging by false reporting and provide greater control over your online presence. Yeah, you see, actually, developers are much more smarter and wiser than us. Definitely, they have been looking into those possibilities also. So that's the reason we were being told that by 10th of February, we are going to have a permanent solution towards it. Maybe whatever you are talking about, the same thing they are going to introduce. So let's wait till then. And during this, little turbulent time period, we should be totally, positive, cool and calm. It's time to communicate more with your team members, to teach them, to share with them ins and outs of it. Everyone can learn these things, how to work via smart contract on blockchain. It's not a rocket science, guys, but first you learn and then only you will be able to deliver the same to your downlines. Anyone else? Karen? Yes, Karen? Quickly, quick questions.
Hello, KK. I have been asking this question, but until now I'm still uncertain regarding the Bright BNB, the 1.0 version. The ranking upgrade, does it works like 2.0? Means once the upper upline is not qualified, it will jump 2 times or 3 times or 4 times. Does it work like that at 1.0, the new one?
Couldn't get your question still.
No, you see the ranking bonus at the metric, the upgrade,
Yeah.
once the upgrade is not qualified, it will jump, let's say, achiever, it will jump 3 times. 3 times,
Yeah.
it's not qualified, it jump another 3 times.
Yeah. Not 3 times. It's a third upline, third upline, third upline.
Yes.
Yeah.
The third line, does it work at 1.0?
No. In 1.0, it's not like this. In 1.0 earlier, whatever was there in 1.0, the 1.0 is just exactly the same. Only two difference, the royalty was not there because of the glitch in the block of OPBNB that got introduced. And second thing, the one more rank was added.
Means
Apart from Emperor, the Conqueror.
upgrading.
But in Ride BNB, one jump only. One jump. What it was there before.
One jump. Okay.
Yeah.
Because I was, I
Yeah,
just
it's
want
a good question. It's a
confirm.
good question you asked.
Yeah,
It's a
I
good
want to
question you
confirm.
asked. In Rain
Yes.
BNB, the jump is like for influencer, multiple of 2. For achiever, multiple of 3. For ambassador,
Yes.
multiple of 4. But in Ride
Yes.
BNB, no such thing. Only the immediate upline, the next upline, the next level upline, the next level upline for all the ranks.
Okay, means they will search until the qualifier.
Yes.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah.
KK. Thank you. Good night.
Most welcome. Yes, my dear brother Ali. Quickly, dear.
Hello, everybody. Thank you so much, Mr. KK. You are incredibly amazing, and thank you, Prima, for your unstoppable, relentless support for the whole team. Guys, one thing, we all in our lives, we have gone to schools, colleges, 10, 15, 20 years of education. We gave all that time to learn something, to come out and make money, work for somebody or do business. This is just some few minutes every day you get onto it. This is going to be no experience, no knowledge required. This is going to be an unstoppable thing for all of us. Thank you so much, KK, for everything that you do. Prema, thank you. God bless you all.
Yeah. Thank you so much. One more point, very important, guys, I want to share with you. In fact, Michael Pounder has also, drawn my attention by writing to me, and it's an important one. I was about to come on that. So thanks for reminding Dr. Michael. Okay, so let me take you to our blockchain page, smart contract page. It's interesting for us to know and be fully aware what it's been happening, and there is no reason to be worried. We are people who are, blockchain is the emblem and symbol of trust and transparency. So being based on a blockchain business model and working there, we are also a very, we would like to work in a trustworthy manner and transparent manner by letting our community know ins and outs, what is happening. There is no hidden thing here. So now just have a look on our smart contract. And please pay attention. It's important for us to know. So guys, you can see here, this is our smart contract, ending with BC57 for Rain BNB here. This display has come from opbnb.bscscan.com. bscscan.com, of course, is owned by Binance. Okay, it is coming from the Binance developer side. Our smart contract is based on OPBNB. So bscscan.com also displays a contract address based on OPBNB with certain truncated information and data. And here you can see there is a threat report coming since yesterday. There are reports that this address was used in a phishing scam. Please exercise caution while interacting with it. Reported by Hashdate. Hashdate is the same organization which many people are being barred to log in into their dashboard of Ride BNB and Rain BNB within Trust Wallet. Okay, Hashdate and does like this. A lot of people again here made the wrong reporting about our smart contract. Do you think our smart contract is a phishing, activity they are involved in? No way. No, not at all. I'll show you why. So this is the OPBNB bscscan.com. You can close it. It will be closed. But again, you will refresh it. It will reappear again here. But no worries. If you go to our main explorer, opbnbscan.com, this is the main explorer. Okay. And here again, the same contract address ending with BC57. You can see here, BC57. Cursor I'm moving, BC57, same contract, but no such warning. No such warning. If this contract address, this is the actual explorer of OPBNB blockchain network. Here, no such warning. What I have to say now, the answer people should understand and will get. Due to the wrong reporting, see in online, this is a centralized system. OPBNB scanner is showing you all the data in a centralized manner, collecting all the blockchain data. And it shows only how many? 25 transactions only. 25 transactions only. Do we have only 25 transactions on this blockchain network? No. How many transactions? Let me refresh. On our smart contract, 141,484 transactions. This is more authentic here. So don't get bogged down and misled by this kind of malicious intention, promotional thing done by all our unscrupulous opponents and platform owners. These things are not going to affect us in any way, and nobody can block or blacklist our smart contract because it's on blockchain. So these things, and if you just go through the transactions, you will find, they on this Explorer page, they have, for every transaction, our contract appears like this: fake phishing, fake phishing, fake phishing. Still, you can see, people have been working 30 seconds ago, 39 seconds ago, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago. People have been working here, claiming royalty, registering, upgrading. Activities are happening. So people are not bothered about it because they know what is the truth. So by just telling someone that you are wrong, you have done scam and you are, bad, it will not be. You have to give justifiable proof, evidence, testimonial, which is not there. Ride BNB and Rain BNB are totally operating on Binance ecosystem. OPBNB blockchain. Binance is the payment system. Smart contract done on OPBNB blockchain. So what this phishing or scam thing? the creator developer are not collecting the money from the smart contract. The smart contract balance is always zero. So where is the phishing scam? Creator owner are not in possession of all those funds what users have been paying to the smart contract. Rather, they are being disbursed and distributed instantly, automatically, in just few seconds, milliseconds, nanoseconds by the smart contract. You can check here. You can check yourself. This guy has, just a minute, let me take you to the transactions. Yeah, you can see here, the transactions happened 32 seconds ago. This wallet address has paid to the smart contract and automatically the fund got distributed. The fund got distributed. So all these transactions you can find. In fact, OPBNB blockchain has got certain limitations because they do display data in a different manner. I'll just show it to you. Why I say like this. You can see here in read contract button, if you go, and if you just go to the total users sections, how many total users we have so far on this platform? 629,163. And if you are just going to input user information, just click on query. Now you can see the display. It is like this. Similarly, in transactions part also you will find something like this. But this BSC scanner gives more easy to understand and read display. So there is nothing to be worried. Whatever happens sometimes in life happens for good. You can see here. You can see the display method. Everything is crystal clear. You can read. I can see the display method here. On OPBNB scan. You can see here like this. Okay, anyway. So nothing to be worried about this. These things have been happening. Why? I have already shared with you all. On this Explorer, there is nothing like that. Maybe tomorrow it comes up here also. So these things are going to come. Understand one thing, that is we are a blockchain-based system and smart contract is the backbone soul of this system. There is nothing wrong in the smart contract. There is nothing wrong on OPBNB blockchain. These are prankster, fraudsters, scammer who have been trying to stop us. And because of that, they have been attacking, targeting, in a hidden manner. And, unless and until we come up with a solution, which is going to be, there by 10th of February, we are a little bit going to be disturbed, of course, for sure. But if you are having complete knowledge, definitely you are going to guide your team well. That is the basic attention we must, put across towards it. Do join all training session. Get all the updates from the official, platforms of RightBNB and RainBNB. Keep in touch with your uplines. Everything is going to be sorted out. And after, let's say, half an hour or so, the websites will also start operating as usual. No worries at all. So it's a temporary phase. And for more insight, do join the training session scheduled at 5 p.m. UTC GMT time. Okay, yes, Harry, what you have to say quickly?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good evening. Thank you so much, KK. I really appreciate your training. Yes, I have a little challenge which I am trying to see how I can get this resolved. So about last week I found myself being disarmed by my phone, and all my wallets I find difficult to recover through Google Drive, which I use to save my wallet. I don't know how possible I can I can get assistance towards that. So that's why let me ask such questions.
Brother, why don't you join tonight's session? I will take up this. I will show how to do this, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that Dr. Harry?
Yeah, Prema, please.
Sorry, KK. Is that Dr. Harry from Nigeria?
Yes. This is Dr. Harry from Nigeria. Good evening,
Okay.
Premier.
Yeah,
Thank you
no
so much.
problem. You come up shortly, and I'll help you recover those wallets.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, guys, so we are on verge of closing this session. Do join tonight's training session. Prema, I would like to say a few words before we end this session.
Yes, thank you so much, KK. A big thank you for helping. You know, there was a lot of people here. Guys, it's so important to come to the training because even your mentor like PRP or Zaf or Mr. Al from the USA or Ali, there is only so much we can do. You know, to reach everybody, Dr. Michael or Mia from Germany, there's only so much we can do. But if we come together in unity and there's a speaker, we take the heavy lifting because we're here to earn. And the quicker we deal with the technical side, you know, somebody's helping us with that, the more we can reach more community members. So get involved with the training and let somebody else do the heavy lifting, especially your problematic kids, the ones that you try and the penny don't drop. Send them to the technical training because those are the guys that needs to learn in a longer time. They need to do it again and again. That's just my 2 cent worth. And for us in South Africa, we have load shedding. I'm off the grid, but a lot of members in South Africa here in this meeting, you see they're falling off the call because they're in load shedding. And if South Africa can attend, you know, the training, they would be there all the time. So let's all of us be mindful and grow our business. But what we need is the training support. Once this empower you, you have it for the rest of your life. It's your degree in the blockchain. Thank you very much, KK, and thank you everyone that responded to our side of the invitation from Ali, all the guys here that went out and invited. Thank you very much, Dr. Michael, everybody, Evelyn. Thank you, KK.
Yeah, thanks a lot to all of you for joining, and see you there in the training session. Thank you so much. Wishing you good luck and be positive and in peace. Thank you. Good day and see you.
All right.